Henry, the wise barber with a flowing gray beard, meticulously trims the edges of Jake's beard, a young man eager to achieve the perfect look.
You know, Henry, I think a good beard is more than just facial hair.
Jake muses, glancing at himself in the mirror.
Indeed, Jake.
Henry replies with a chuckle.
A beard is a statement. It tells the world who you are and where you've been.
Jake's eyes light up, absorbing the wisdom.
I've always thought a beard shows confidence.
He adds,
I hope I'm not interrupting.
she says playfully, her eyes scanning the rows of products.
Not at all, Laura. Just sharing some beard philosophy.
Henry responds warmly.
I've always admired how a beard can transform a face.
Laura remarks, smiling.
It certainly does,
Jake agrees.
but it also changes how you feel inside.
Remember, Jake, a beard is like a canvas. You paint it with your experiences.
Henry says, stepping back to admire his work.
Thanks, Henry. I think I'm finally starting to understand.
Jake replies, running a hand through his newly styled beard.
See you next time, Henry. Thanks for the lesson.
Jake calls as he heads for the door.
Anytime, Jake. Remember, it's a beardtastic state of mind.
Henry waves, a twinkle in his eye.